Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about the free wallpaper app for iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Number 1. Vellum. You can find this application on App Store easily. First launch App Store and search for Vellum. I already downloaded this application, so launch Vellum. The best thing in this application, you will get daily wallpaper. You can check top of the list, August 31, 2021. Tap on it. This is the wallpaper of the day. Tap here. Your home screen is look like this, and if you tap here, this is your lock screen. Blurry or clean. If you want to save it, just tap here. Volume would you like to add to your photos? Okay. The second one is Wally. Launch App Store and search for Wally. Tap search. I already downloaded, so tap to launch. This is also a very fine, very good wallpaper app for iPhones. This is the collection: dark, neon light, enemy, made in blue. You can tap one of them. Tap recent. Tap to download. Now we go for the third one, Unsplash. Launch App Store and search for Unsplash. Now open Unsplash. This application will take some time to load the wallpapers. If you want to download, tap the down arrow. Start downloading. If you want to cancel it, tap on cancel. Go back. Food and drink, back to school, wallpaper, nature. HD wallpapers take some time to loading. Now you can download these softwares, these applications in your iPhone and enjoy your free wallpapers. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.